Next is Senator Cherargei Samson.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. First, Mr. Speaker, I want to respond to the statement by the Labour Committee. Mr. Speaker, I would have expected them to touch something on Micra, Mr. Speaker, because one Felix Limo that comes from Kosirai Ward in Nandi County, he died in Qatar, and it took a lot of interventions for his body to be repatriated. So I don't know what the Labour Committee, and I hope the minority leader still sits there to tell us what is happening with migrant workers, especially in the Middle East. Mr. Speaker, and secondly, because I have seen in their report, even on this issue of domestic workers, even locally, Mr. Speaker, I think a day or two, a Mamafua by the name called Zaitun, Kavaya, who lives in Kibra, was killed mysteriously in Kilimani. Yet no one has been arrested to that fact, Mr. Speaker. I appeal that the Ministry of Labour should look into issues of domestic workers. Maids and domestic workers are very important, especially if you are a bachelor in this Nairobi and you don't have a number of Mamafua. You are living badly in this city, and they form a very serious ecosystem, because this Mamafua, Mr. Speaker, they'll come to your house, clean your clothes, prepare the food for the entire week. And therefore, when I saw how Mamafua Zaitun Kavaya was killed, I hope the DCI should follow up, and no one should kill domestic workers. We need to be harsh on anybody who kills domestic workers, both locally and internationally, Mr. Speaker, especially in Qatar. Mr. Speaker, secondly and finally on councillors, Mr. Speaker, is we need to finalize. We invited the CS Mbadi. He didn't tell us when is he paying the councillors. The councillors serve this country, and there are more than 12,000. Some of them are still surviving, some of them are sick. Mr. Speaker, I want to appeal to the Labour Committee to come up with a legal framework to cure the issue of one payment to the councillors. Mr. Speaker, on that note, I want to thank you, because yesterday I saw you hosted former
Yes, that's the chair's honor.
Mr. Speaker, I want to celebrate you and thank you that you are providing leadership in Meru by bringing even nemesis, political nemesis like former Senator Linturi. And I'm happy he has abandoned Wamunyoro and is now joining the government courtesy of you, and we are proud of what you are doing as the Deputy Speaker. And we didn't make the wrong choice as the Deputy Speaker, because you are one of our members, premier members of UDA, Mr. Speaker, and we will continue supporting you, Mr. Speaker, in Meru.
Senator Catherine Muma.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise to contribute to Senator Mtata's statement regarding the state of Kenyatta National Hospital. Honorable Speaker, would you kindly ask Cherargei and team to listen in? I don't know why he always disrupts after we've listened to him. Can I?
No.
Yes, you are actually.
Cherargei, you're almost now provoking the chair.
Thank you, Chair.
Because you are happy when members listen to you carefully. But when others are contributing, raising the issues, you now start making noise.
Thank you, Chair, and I hope my time has been said. Honorable Chair, the issue of Kenyatta National Hospital is a good statement, but I would want to request that 13 years into devolution,